Let's do 2 easy natural looks using the new re-release Naked palette that are beginner friendly and perfect for every day. Starting with the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prep the lids for shadow. Then using the shade Naked on a fluffy brush, blend it into the crease. Next using shade Buck on a smaller brush closer to the crease line and outer V. Then blending further with a fluffier brush. Then using Dark Horse on my finger to pat on the outer lid, and then using a blending brush to softly diffuse it into the other shades. Then using Sidecar on my finger on the rest of the lid. The shade is so pretty. Then taking shade Virgin to highlight the inner corner and sweep into the brow bone. Using a clean flat brush to clean up the edges. Back into the Naked shade blended into the lower lash line to tie the look together. Using One Size Stage White powder foundation to clean up the top edges further. Curling my lashes with the RèPHR Lash Curler and then Maybelline Sky High Mascara in the shade Brown. I think the shade ties the look together perfectly. For the next look, Urban Decay Primer Potion again to prep the lids. Shade Toasted, blended into the crease and fluffed up towards the brow. Shade Toasted again on a small brush on the lower lash line. The shimmer virtually has no fallout. Shade Hustle on a small blending brush into the outer V to build depth. Next, the shade Sin on my fingers, patted all over the lid. Using the shade Creep on a small, dense brush for a shadow liner, pressed into the lash line into a soft wing shape. Using a fluffy brush to help diffuse the shade even further. Flat brush again for a clean edge and finish with more of that white powder foundation from One Size. Next, shade Virgin on a small brush on the brow bone and inner corner. RèPHR Lash Curler and finish with the same Maybelline mascara. Here's the finished look. I love how you can still create a more neutral, cool look with this palette, but also take it warm and shimmery. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments.